Hello everyone, myself Saleha Alas from B.Ed 3rd Sem, KLE Society's Srimati YG Kulagode College of Education, Athani. Today I am going to presentation on programmed instruction. Let us see the introduction of programmed instruction. Programmed instruction is invented by the Norman Crowder, where the instructor includes multiple choice test questions. John Locke is reported to have approached the use of programmed teaching by using the steps written manipulative skills. Later, Madame Maria taught children using the principles of programmed instruction. B.F. Skinner, Harvard experimental psychologist, is called the father of programmed instruction. The word programmed instruction is derived from B.F. Skinner's paper, The Science of Learning and the Art of Teaching. Let us see the definition of programmed instruction. Programmed instruction is a teaching technique which developed as a result of application of the scientific methods to the teaching learning process. It is a method which uses highly structural materials which take the place of a teacher for the learner. Next, we will see the concept of programmed instruction. Programmed instruction is based on Skinner's apparent conditioning. Behaviorist theory states that learning is change in the behavior of the individual. Next point is programmed instruction is a method of presenting new subject matter to students in carefully designed steps through a sequence of instructional frames. And the last point is students work through the programmed material by themselves at their own speed, and after each step they can test their comprehension by answering the questions. Let us see the aims and objectives of programmed instruction. To help the students in learning by doing, programmed instruction provides the learner situation so that they can learn at their own pace. To help students in the absence of a teacher, to present the content in a controlled manner and in logically related steps, to help students in assessing their own performance themselves by comparing it with given answer. Let us see the principles of programmed instruction. First one is objective specification principle, which means identifying the terminal behavior that the learner will be able to perform when he has completed the program. Second one is small step size principle, which involves dividing the information into the communicated into small units. In programmed instruction, the whole information is divided in small parts by which students can learn easily. Third principle is overt responding principle. It means that students must act on each unit of information by the way of exercise. Here, students' responses must be required. Fourth and last principle is success or minimal error. This means that error and failure must be avoided because they are construed as obstacles to the learning. Minimal error means successful learning takes place. Let us see the advantages of programmed instruction. The uses of programmed instruction in the teaching learning process. The main emphasis is on individual differences and the students' involvement. Students may learn at their own pace. Students are exposed only to correct responses. Therefore, possibilities to commit error is reduced. Reinforcement and feedback helps the students to develop the mastery over the content. Programmed instruction increases the knowledge for the content. Let us see the disadvantages of programmed instruction. It is very difficult to develop an instructional program. From the programmed instruction, only cognitive objectives can be achieved. Due to tight schedule of timetable, students cannot be left to learn at their own pace. There is no chance for students' creativity. Their responses are highly structured. Students can't choose their interest and correct responses. From this, disturbance takes place. This is about programmed instruction. Thank you one and all.